study and learn. पढ़िबा ओ शिखिबा. Hello students, welcome back to our channel Study and Learn. In this lesson, you will learn a new topic, adjective. आज ये भिडियो रे तुम मानको adjective बा विशेषण विषय मु शिखाइबी. You have already known something about adjective from our previous videos. जो माने वीडियो देखी ना हो, subscribe our channel and to get latest information press the bell icon. जदि वीडियो गुडी को तुमको भलो लागुची तबे लाइक करो अन्य मानको शेयर करो. Now let's remember what is adjective बा विशेषण काहाकू कुआ जाए. An adjective is a word used to describe the quality, quantity, number or order of the noun or pronoun. जो शब्द कौनसी विशेष्य बा सर्वनाम पदर गुण, अवस्था, परिमाण और संख्या इत्यादि को वर्णना करे ताहाकू विशेषण पद कुआ जाए. It gives more information about a noun or pronoun by describing them, adding detail or refining their meaning. वाक्य रे यह विशेष्य और सर्वनाम पद विषय अधिक सूचना देइथाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, ग्रीन पैरट, वन hen, टू chicks, रेड रोज, स्पाइसी फूड एटसेट्रा. एठारे पैरट, hen, chicks, रोज, फूड आदि गुड़िक विशेष्य सेमाने निज विषय किछि कहू नाहंती, किंतु अन्य पद गुड़िक यथा ग्रीन, वन, टू, रेड, स्पाइसी एसबू यही विशेष्य पदर गुण और संख्या विषय सूचना देई यहाको अधिक अर्थपूर्ण करिछि. तेणु एगुड़िक हेउछि विशेषण पद. Then we should know the position of adjectives in a sentence. वाक्य रे विशेषण पदर पोजिशन बा अवस्थिति संपर्क रे हमें जानिबा दरकार. An adjective can be placed before a noun. For example, you have a beautiful house. Here, house is a noun, beautiful is an adjective which is placed before the noun. अर्थात कौनसी वाक्य रे विशेषण पद विशेष्य पदर पूर्व रे व्यवहृत होई पारे. Then second number, an adjective can also be placed after a noun. वाक्य रे विशेषण पद विशेष्य पद पर भी बसी पारे. That follows a linking verb and is used as a complement of linking verb. For example, your house is beautiful. एही वाक्य रे house होची noun, is होची linking verb, beautiful जहा कि noun पर व्यवहृत होची गोटे adjective. Then types of adjectives. Adjectives can be categorized under following heads. विशेषण पद को निम्न मते भाग करा जाय पारे. For example, adjective of quality गुणवाचक विशेषण, adjective of quantity परिमाणवाचक विशेषण, adjective of number संख्यावाचक विशेषण, demonstrative adjective संकेतवाचक विशेषण, distributive adjective संबंधवाचक विशेषण, interrogative adjective प्रश्नवाचक विशेषण, possessive adjective अधिकारवाचक विशेषण, proper adjective व्यक्तिवाचक विशेषण and emphatic adjective. In this video, there is a brief introduction about the types of adjectives. So without a further go, let's get started. The first adjective, adjective of quality बा गुणवाचक विशेषण. It describes the quality of a noun or pronoun. ओडिया रे कहिबा गले वाक्य रे जेउ पद विशेष्य पदर धर्म, प्रकृति, स्वभाव, स्वरूप और गुण को विशेषित करे ताको गुणवाचक विशेषण कुहा जाए. It answers the question what kind. For example, beautiful flowers grow in the garden. सुंदर फूल गुड़िक बगीचा रे बढ़िछंती. जदि आमे ताको प्रश्न करिबा what kind of flowers, the answer will be beautiful which is an adjective. The hungry fox chased at a cat. What kind of fox? The answer is hungry. So, the words beautiful and hungry are adjectives which describes the quality of flowers and fox. Other words used as qualitative adjective: blue, fat, beautiful, long, old, short, tall, big, bright, etc. Then the second type, adjective of quantity বা ପରିମାଣବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ. This type of adjective tells how much quantity of a thing is meant. It answers the question how much. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ବାକ୍ୟରେ how much ବା କେତେ ପରିମାଣ ବୋଲି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କଲେ ଯେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦ ଆସେ ତାହାକୁ ପରିମାଣ ସୂଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ. For example, there is some water in the glass. How much water? The answer is some water. He has sufficient money with him. How much money? Sufficient money. ତେଣୁ some ଓ sufficient ହେଉଛି ଏହି ଦୁଇଟି ବାକ୍ୟରେ ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦ. There are other words. For example, all, some, much, little, whole, enough, sufficient, no, any, etc. used as the adjective of quantity. Then adjective of number ବା ସଂଖ୍ୟାବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ. This type of adjective shows the number of persons or things. ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବା ବସ୍ତୁର ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ବୁଝାଇଥାଏ. It answers the question how many. ବାକ୍ୟରେ how many ଲଗାଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କଲେ ଯାହା ଆନ୍ସର ଆସେ ତାହା ହେଉଛି ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦ. For example, there are 7 days in a week. How many days? 7 days. Many boys are playing in the field. How many boys are playing in the field? Many boys are playing in the field. So, 7, many, etc. used as numerical adjective. It also answers the question in what order. For example, I stood in the third row. All cardinal and ordinal numbers are adjectives. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ adjective ଅଛି ଯାହାକି ଉଭୟ countable ଓ uncountable noun ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇପାରେ. For example, I have some dishes. Dishes countable noun, ଏଠାରେ some adjective ରୂପେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛି. I have some food. Food uncountable noun, ଏଠାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ some adjective ରୂପେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛି. If these adjectives describe countable nouns, then they are adjectives of number. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ କୌଣସି countable nounକୁ ବିଶେଷିତ କରେ ତାହାକୁ ସଂଖ୍ୟାବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ କୁହାଯାଏ. For example, some girls are playing. I have enough pencils to give them. ଏଠାରେ some ଓ enough ହେଉଛି ଏଇଭଳି adjective of numberକୁ ବୁଝାଉଥିବା ପଦ. When these adjectives describe uncountable nouns, then they are adjectives of quantity. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ କୌଣସି uncountable nounକୁ describe କରନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପରିମାଣବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ. For example, some milk is in the jug. I have enough food for all. ଏଠାରେ some ଓ enough adjective of quantity ଭାବରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛି. Then demonstrative adjective ବା ସଂକେତବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or thing. ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦଗୁଡ଼ିକ କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବା ବସ୍ତୁକୁ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ କରି କହିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିଥାନ୍ତି. It answers the question which. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ବାକ୍ୟରେ which ଲଗାଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କଲେ ଯାହା ଆନ୍ସର ଆସେ ତାହା ହେଉଛି ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦ. For example, these mangoes are sweet. Which mangoes are sweet? These mangoes are sweet. Do you see that boy climbing the tree? Which boy climbing the tree? That boy climbing the tree. Other words are this, that, these, those, such, etc. Then distributive adjective ବା ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ। A distributive adjective refers to individual element। ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବା ବସ୍ତୁର ଅଲଗା ହେବାର ବୋଧ କରାଇଥାଏ। Example is, every, either, neither. Now let's see their functionality with sentence example. Each boy got a prize. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ପିଲା ପୁରସ୍କାର ପାଇଲେ। ଏଠାରେ each means each of the boys। ସମସ୍ତ ପିଲା ବା ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ପିଲା। Neither book was understanding। କୌଣସି ଗୋଟିଏ ବହି ବୁଝିବାର ନୁହେଁ। Then interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is used to ask questions by using which, what or whose before a noun। ବାକ୍ୟରେ ବିଶେଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ କ'ଣ, କାହାର, କେଉଁଠି ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ଲଗାଇ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କଲେ ସେହି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ ଶବ୍ଦ ବା interrogative adjective ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଇଥାଏ। For example, which book is yours? What color is your coat? Whose dog is that? Which pencil is yours? Then possessive adjective ବା ଅଧିକାରବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ। Possessive adjective shows possession or belongingness. It answers the question whose। ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଅଧିକାରକୁ ବୁଝାଇଥାଏ। ଯଦି ଆମେ ବାକ୍ୟରେ whose ଲଗାଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କରିବା ଯାହା ଆନ୍ସର ଆସିବ ତାହା ହେଉଛି possessive adjective word। For example, that is my house. Whose house is that? That is my house. This is our school. Whose school is this? This is our school. Then proper adjective ବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିବାଚକ ବିଶେଷଣ। Proper adjective are formed from a proper nouns, especially from the names of places or persons। ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେଉଛି କୌଣସି ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ବା ବସ୍ତୁକୁ ବୁଝାଉଥିବା ଗୋଟିଏ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ନାମ ଯାହାକି ବିଶେଷଣ ରୂପେ ବାକ୍ୟରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଥାଏ। For example, Japanese toys are very beautiful। Japanese ଏହାର ପ୍ରପର ନାଉନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଜାପାନ, ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବିଂ ନାଉନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଟଏସ୍। ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଟିମ୍ ଓନ୍ ଦି ମ୍ୟାଚ୍। ପ୍ରପର ନାଉନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ, ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବିଂ ନାଉନ୍ ହେଉଛି ଟିମ୍। ଏହି ଦୁଇଟି ବାକ୍ୟରେ ଜାପାନିଜ୍ ଓ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଦୁଇଟି ପ୍ରପର ନାଉନ୍କୁ ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ରୂପେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଛି। ଟଏ ଏବଂ ଟିମ୍ର ଆଡଜେକ୍ଟିଭ୍ ରୂପେ ଜାପାନିଜ୍ ଓ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ କ୍ରମାଗତ ଭାବରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି। Then last but not least, emphatic adjective. Emphatic adjectives are used to emphasize the nouns they modify। ଏହି ବିଶେଷଣ ପଦଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବିଶେଷ୍ୟକୁ ଅଧିକ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତି। The words are very, perfect, utter, total, outright, absolute, complete, own, pure, etc. used for this purpose. Now look at their functionality with sentence examples. I locked the door with my own hands। ମୁଁ ମୋ ନିଜ ହାତରେ ଦୁଆରକୁ ଲକ୍ କଲି। ମୁଁ ମୋ ହାତରେ ଲକ୍ କଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ହାତକୁ ଅଧିକ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଓନ୍ ୱାର୍ଡଟି ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଛି। It is used to put extra value. So own is the adjective or emphatic adjective। ଏଠାରେ own ହେଉଛି emphatic adjective। She spent the total money। She spent the money। ସେ ସବୁ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମନିକୁ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ, ମନିକୁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଏଠାରେ ଟୋଟାଲ ୟୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି। ତେଣୁ ଟୋଟାଲ ଏଠାରେ emphatic adjective। Yes, my students, this is all about today's lesson. Hope you enjoy this lesson and it will add more information to your understanding. Meet you in your next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.